Hello and welcome. Today I'm just going to go over where to look under your kitchen sink if you have a leak. Always remember to follow the leak going upwards. Now, one of the most common are the tail pieces that come off the basket strainers. You can see it's this brass piece that I'm trying to get off with my hand. This one's a little tight, so I'll try the other one. This one here appears to be a little looser. So what I'll show you is the T-washer inside. The T-washer is one of the most common that I see on kitchen sink drains leaking. I'll pull it out for you here, and you can see this one's a little dirty, so I'll have to come back and clean this up. I'll just put it back together for now. These can be replaced for around $1 at any hardware store. It's typically, like I said, one of the first things to leak on a kitchen sink drain. Just get this back together, and I'll show you the next thing to check here. Make sure you put everything back together properly. Now this is another gasket that sits on the trap adapter that connects to the tailpiece. These can break over time and they'll lose their seal. So check that second of all. And thirdly, if you have a P-trap with a union like this one, make sure that it is tight and check the bottom of the P-trap for drips. It'll usually be a good indicator. And lastly, make sure your basket strainers are sealed.